Hi folks and welcome to Dutch Cooking. Today we're going to do the cast iron challenge for April. That is pork. So we've been cooking Schweinshax. That's German and it's a pork knuckle. It's Dutch oven cooking, cast iron cooking, live fire cooking, or you're just here for the recipes. Don't forget to subscribe. For this cook we'll be using the brick built stove, cooking on charcoal, and we're using the cast iron Dutch oven. So we've got one pork knuckle, I'm just going to add boiling water to this. This is just going to help speed up the process. To that we've got one onion that I've just simply quartered, two bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of caraway seeds, 4 juniper berries, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So all we can do now is just top up with boiling water again, so it's virtually covering the pork knuckle. We're going to pop a lid on and we're going to simmer this for about 1 hour. So that's time for a cup of tea. So I've made some alterations to the brick stove. So we've made a rack, tang tools on, a warming rack, and we've also added a shelf. So this is at about an hour now. And all I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn it. This is just going to ensure like some even cooking through this pork knuckle. Put the lid back on and we're going to go for another hour. So this pork knuckle's had 2 hours now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it out of the Dutch oven. We're going to drain it. We're going to pat this skin dry. And we're going to mount it on a rotisserie skewer. So we're all mounted up. We're going to place this in our rotisserie and we're going to let it go. We have just to keep topping up the charcoal. I'm just going to watch this turn into some nice crackling. So from now on we'll let the crackling do the talking. So the total time for the rotisserie was about 1 hour. And there we have it. Beautiful, crispy crackling on our Bavarian Schweinshax. If you like what we're doing here at Dutch Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.